YouTube, I am making something today with a bowl, pink glitter glue, hot water, contact solution, and baking soda. So let's just put this in here. Right now, so I'm gonna close this up and do this final drop. We need the water. Ow. We don't pour a lot, we just pour a little bit. Mix that around. Thank you, Mommy. I'm gonna go in with my hands a little bit, but not right now. Add a little bit of contact solution to it. Well, it's not ready yet, so. But it's a good sign that if you can do what I just did, then that's good. That means that it's working. That means that you don't have to do a lot more time for you to mix around and stir. I just keep adding the water. Don't add a lot of water because I've done slime before and this is my first slime video that I've ever done, and if you add too much water it will start getting crumbly wondering where I can get this from, I can get it from Walmart. I'm going to show you how to test your slime. There are 3 ways to test your slime. The poking test, the fold and poke, and the stretching. If you're going to do all those 3 things, that means your slime is ready. If there's slime stuck to your hands when you test it, then just do this. Poke your hands in there real fast and then do that. A little song for entertainment while we mix. Alright, the testing. Poke. It passed. Fold and poke. And then the stretching test.
Can't see that.
And the folding test. I mean, the stretching test. So that's how you make slime. Thank you guys for watching.
So this is the conclusion of the slime. We successfully, second go around, made slime. This is what Elmer's glitter glue. And when you make the slime is very pretty. It's not clear. The glue starts off clear, but as we make the slime, it becomes a little bit more opaque. It's not that clear anymore, but it comes out to a pretty baby pink color, and this glitter is just fabulous. So we'll see you in the next video.